Hi there. In this lesson, we are going to be putting together the maintenance log form. I'm actually really looking forward to doing this with you because it really brings together the work that we've been doing so far on the school maintenance solution. And the reason for that is because it ties in the location table and the service area table. And that really gives us an indication of the value proposition of Dataverse and the way in which the tables relate to each other. What we're going to do is we are going to go to the main information form for the maintenance log table. We're then going to add in data columns. We are going to change the layout of the form so it's more pleasing to the eye. And we're also going to make use of the header area to put some interesting extra bits of information. Finally, we're going to make the name field read only, and that's because we want it to be calculated using our auto number system. So let's head over to meg.powerapps.com and start building. I'm in my Dataverse environment Ranieri 24. I'm going to go to the school maintenance solution. I'm going to select on the maintenance log table. I need to update the form, so I'm going to select forms. I'm going to select the main information form. On the left hand side, you can see all the columns that haven't yet been included within this form. We're not going to use all of them, but we will use many of them. The first thing I'm going to do is to select the section that includes the maintenance log name. And I'm going to make it 2 columns in width. Select 2 columns. And now going to bring in the date scheduled into the right hand side. And the date completion just below that. I'm going to select on the maintenance log name. I'm going to edit the table column. And at the moment it says maintenance log name as a full string. I'm going to put some spaces in there. Maintenance space log space name. Select save. And in this instance, we'll need to update the label for the maintenance log name. So I'm going to select maintenance space log space name. I'm now going to drag in description beneath the maintenance log name. And as we would expect some detail in this area, I'm going to select the form field height. I'm going to change this to be 4 rows. I'm going to bring it in the location. Now if I select location, it may put it in the right place, but it may also put it into the wrong place. I select on the right hand side and then select on the service area. It comes as the last part of that column. I'm going to move this underneath the location. As we have space on the right hand side, I'm going to drag issue photo across. And I'm going to drag the date observed into the header area of the form. I'm also going to drag the is complete into the same area. I'll add created on just below date completion. And issue age can go just below created on. I can now see all of the columns that haven't been used on the left hand side. And I can see that I haven't yet used priority. I'm going to drag that just underneath the maintenance log name. What's apparent here is that while maintenance log name is required, priority, description, location, and service area are not required. I'm going to change that. Select on priority, edit table column, and then make it business required and save. I'm now going to do the same for description, location, and service area. Select description, edit table column, make it required, save, and do the same for location and service area. In order for these changes to take effect, I'm going to select Save and Publish, select Back, and return to the main information form. I'm now happy that these fields are required. I'm now going to make a change to the maintenance log name. I'm going to make it read-only. And then Save and Publish. This form won't manifest itself until we bring the maintenance log table into our model-driven app. In this lesson, we've updated the information form associated with the maintenance log table. We've added in data columns, we changed the layout, we made use of the header area, and we also made the name field read-only. All of these things will take effect when we next compose the app. I'll see you in the next lesson.